Whose alligator is that? Huh? Whose mighty gray steed is that? Whose mighty gray steed? He says, Mom, I'm very fierce. I'm very fierce. I've decided this is a fantastic nesting location, Mom. On account of the intimidating qualities of my steed, Mom, I think this would be a wonderful nesting location. Yeah, let's show everybody the wonderful little nest that you've made back here that Mommy has taped over. Yeah, you see that wonderful little nest. Yeah. Are you headed back there? Were you going to head back there? He says, Mom, I'm feeling particularly fierce and ferocious today, Mom. Well, and I can't help but notice that you're also feeling and looking very cute. Very, very cute. Oh, he's cute.